Welcome back to the Ragu Guru. Today, we're going to have roasted forearm with a blood sauce with some beautiful vegetables and mac and cheese the way my grandma made it. First thing you have to know is how to source your meat. First thing I had to do was cut the girl's hand off because it had all these tattoos on it and things I just don't like, and I can't skin the hand because that's crispy critters. Maybe we'll have a hand episode later. Okay, so I got some sweet potatoes here, some golden beets. Gonna be julienne up these onions. Gonna be quartering them, make them real nice. Look at that, baby. Oh, I love red onions. And then put the forearm on top, stick it in the oven, high heat, like 475, to sear it. Then pull that baby out. Look at that. Honey, ginger, cut her open. You know the way you'd cut her open. Put some cranberries in there, wine, good to go. All right. It is mac and cheese time the way my grandma made. That's 1 pound of cream, 1 pound of cavatelli, and 1 carton, it's a pound pack of sour cream. I'm going to throw some cayenne pepper on there because, we love cayenne pepper, and some mozzarella cheese. All right, show you what we're going to do after that. Add some cheese, good to go, mozzarella. And you saw that kale in the background. Well, here it is. Time to plate up. I'm going to be plating up this thing. Now watch this. Now you're going to add 1 whole lime juice in there, cayenne lime juice, and that's it. No other things. It is so smelly good. I just wanted to get you a good look at this beautifully done forearm. Yeah, look at that. We're going to plate this up. We're going to be serving the family. Yeah, look at them sweet potatoes and everything else. Okay, we're going to finish it off with some Vermont maple syrup. That's fancy. And a little nutmeg on top. Spice it up a little. Yep, and here it is, the blood sauce. Where did I get that blood sauce? Well, I got a girl here. I'm draining, and it's feeling good to me. I just drink it all the time. Okay, plating it up. You know how I like it. I like my greens, I like my vegetables. Got the mac and cheese in there with some limes. And look at that, slicing it up real nice and thin. Cranberries, blood, yeah. That's good blood, too. I had to find a universal donor, I had to break into some things to get that done. But look at that. Yeah, O negative. Oh, yeah. I want to wish everybody a happy All Hallows Eve. Oh, yeah. Hope you all getting what you want. See you next time.